Hey, it's Marco, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to lock photos on your iPhone. But before I show you that, please subscribe to my channel, it helps me out a lot. So go to your photos, go to your recent and basically just choose a few photos, and then on the bottom right click on the three dots, and then you want to click on hide, and then click on hide it. But if you want to find it, you want to go to your settings, you want to find photos, and then you see this show hidden album that must be turned on. Then just go back, click on albums, scroll down, you will see hidden, it will unlock with your Face ID, and boom, here they are. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.